sharing with you our grocery haul and my meal plan, including my Weight Watcher meals. So I got 2 dozen eggs this week because I'm going to be making some egg muffins. I have featured these in another video. If I remember, I will link that video down below. I got some bacon for that, and mozzarella cheese, shredded cheddar, Swiss cheese, and I got 2 pounds of the buffalo chicken breast for Swiss and chicken wraps this week for Weight Watcher lunches. My daughter's favorite drink, the strawberry kiwi. I'm going to be making a zuppa this week, so I needed Parmesan cheese. I'm also doing a recipe with crab, and I needed Parm cheese. Got pork sausage for the zuppa. Put some stuff behind me. We needed butter. Okay, so I got some Cool Whip for some desserts this week. I got a bag of seasoned fries because we're doing hamburgers and such, and my family will eat the seasoned fries, and then I'll make myself some sweet potato fries. We got a big bag of frozen chicken breasts. I'm getting a couple meals out of this. That can go up in the freezer, honey. We got 2 big bags of the Big Dipper tortilla chips. We go through these pretty quick. We eat these with just salsa. We make nachos. Instead of tacos, sometimes we make taco meat and make like taco nachos. We use these all different kinds of ways. I also use these when I make chili. So we go through these a lot. So I always usually get 2 bags. Then we got my husband's sandwich buns. We got garlic bread for, this is for the pasta meal that I'm making with the crab. And then I also got another one of these for meatballs, because we're gonna have meatball subs. Here is my zero carb tortilla, what do they call these? Tortilla shells? Yeah, Carb Control original tortilla shells. These are for my wraps that I'll be making during the week for Weight Watchers. Sun chips, 15 of these are 5 points on Weight Watchers, which is great. So I usually eat 15 sun chips with my wraps for like a 7-point lunch. It's great. Big bag of potatoes for loaded baked potatoes this week, and for zuppa. You can take that big bowl. Ooh, you can take that big bowl of salad out, baby. I'll wash it. Fresh spinach for spinach salads. I'm gonna throw this in with our zuppa, and I'm also gonna be using that in our pasta dish with the crab. I'm gonna be making strawberry shortcake this week. So I needed some fresh strawberries and the Cool Whip. We got mushrooms. That's going to be for our mushroom Swiss burgers. We're also having pulled pork this week. So I got some coleslaw.
That's so many chips.
We got lettuce for salads, fresh asparagus, and some zucchini for fresh sides this week. For meals, I think the asparagus I'm going to be using with our pasta dish, and the zucchini I'm going to be using with the chicken. Okay. My husband needed a refill on his creamer. Our bananas for the week, as we still say that. We got bacon bits for loaded baked potatoes. I needed red onions for the dishes this week. Here's my linguine, or fettuccine rather, for our crab pasta dish. I got raisins. I'm going to be making some, what do they call them? I think they call them power balls in the Weight Watchers cookbook, but they're like peanut butter. They have like, they're power balls. I don't know how to explain them. They're supposed to be like a snack, but they're full of protein. The book calls them power balls. I got canned chili. We love this. I just zhuzh it up. I add extra stuff, and that's chili for one night. For sandwiches, I got canned chicken.
Okay, I don't know where things go.
Black olives for salad. Tea bags for hot tea. My husband's favorite bars. And paper plates for the week. And that is our grocery haul. And as I showed you previous to this, I got lots of good meals planned. I sat with my Weight Watchers cookbook that I got from a thrift store and planned a lot of these meals. I used my 52-week planner that I also got. It's from Weight Watchers, from the thrift store. And I planned out this week's, I planned out this week's meals and my grocery list. So our meals this week are meatball subs with mozzarella, which we'll be using the garlic bread for, lemon chicken with rice and green beans, crab, garlic, and butter pasta with garlic bread, which I'm probably going to be making for dinner tonight, zuppa, we're having pulled pork, coleslaw with fries, I'll be having sweet potato fries, we're having meatloaf one night with loaded potato soup, I'll be having sweet potatoes and corn, and we're having chicken broccoli bake with rice this week. And then for like snacks, I have air pop popcorn, I'm making strawberry shortcake, I'm going to be trying a new Weight Watchers cookie, making chicken salad, turkey and Swiss roll-ups, and I'm doing a scramble bake. with the eggs and sausage and such. So got good meals planned for this week. So I'm excited, and I will be sharing some of these recipes with you guys. I am still doing Weight Watchers. I'm still doing good. I'm still calculating my points. I make exceptions, like when they're having loaded baked potatoes or whatever, I'll eat sweet potatoes, that kind of thing. And I'm excited to share some of these meals with you. So thanks for joining me today, guys. Until then, take care of you. Know I love you, but Jesus loves you so much more. Bye, guys.